When we have multiple things being multiplied inside the brackets, we need to make sure we apply that exponent of 2 to each factor within the bracket. So we're going to have to apply that 2 to the 4 and to the p to the 5. So I would rewrite this as 4 to the power of 2 and then p to the power of 5 to the power of 2. And putting that all together, 4 to the power of 2 is 16. And then p to the 5 to the 2, these get multiplied. P 5 times 2, and we'll write that as 16p 10. For b, that exponent of 3 outside of the brackets needs to be applied to all three components inside the bracket. So -3 to the 3, make sure you put a bracket around the -3 to make sure that exponent of 3 is applied to all of it and not just the 3. So x to the power of 4 to the power of 3, and then y to the power of 5 to the power of 3. So -3 to the power of 3 is -27. X 4 to the power of 3. These would be multiplied. So 4 multiplied by 3. Y 5 multiplied by 3. And altogether -27. X 12. Y 15. I just wanted to point out a place that a lot of people get mixed up, just with -3 to the power of 3 being -27. A lot of the time people take -3 to the 3 and think -3 times 3 is -9. But these are in fact not equal to each other because -3 to the power of 3 is like the base of -3 multiplied by itself 3 times, so -27. So with C, this exponent of 3 needs to be applied to m to the power of 4 divided by, also apply that 3 to the n, so n to the 3. And then altogether, we go 4 times 3 is 12 over n to the power of 3. So here we'll have to apply that 2 to actually 4 different things inside the bracket. 10 to the power of 2, a to the power of 4 to the power of 2, over, this 2 also has to be applied to everything on the bottom. So 2 to the power of 2 and b to the power of 5 to the power of 2. So putting this together, 10 to the power of 2 is like 10 times 10, so 100. A to the power of 4 to the power of 2, we multiply those. So a to the 8. 2 to the 2 is 4, and then multiply your 5 and your 10. Sorry, your 5 and your 2 to get 10. We can still simplify a bit because 100 divided by 4 is 25, but we can't put the a and the b together because they have different bases.